All right, everyone, we've got another problem to do on percent. So let's take a look at it right away here. It says Carlos took a group of friends to the ice cream parlor. He told them they could order whatever they wanted. Well, Alma, a chocolate lover just like me, ordered an extra large sundae with extra chocolate, whipped cream, nuts, and bananas. I don't know if I'd like the bananas on a sundae. Carlos thought that was a little much, but he paid anyways. His total bill, let's underline that, his total bill was $32.48. It's a lot of money to spend at the ice cream parlor. Carlos absolutely loved the waitress as he found her to be very comedic. Therefore, he decided to leave her a 25% tip. He added that to the final bill. You thinking that Carlos might have a crush on the little waitress there? I don't know. All right. How much does Carlos pay altogether? So let's write down what we know. We know that the total bill is $32.48. And Carlos wants to leave a tip that is 25% of the total bill. Well, we got to look at what 25% is as a decimal. I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. So 25% as a decimal. Remember, to change it to a decimal, we just got to move the decimal back 2 places. If there's no decimal in the problem, it's at the end. So 25%, the decimal's at the end. We move it back, it's 0.25. So there's 2 ways you can do it, the long way or the short way. I guess I can show you both ways. So the first method, we would take the total cost is going to end up being what he paid for the bill plus 25% of the bill, right? Because he's leaving 25% tip of what the total bill was. So if I do this out, I got to do my multiplying first. Remember, order of operations, we got to multiply before we add. So if I do 0.25 times 32.48, I get $8.12. Ooh, that's a nice tip. If I add that all together, if I add the 32.48, my total bill, or Carlos's total bill, will be $40.60. That's what his total bill is going to be. All right. Interesting. Now, there's a quicker way to do this, and I'm going to show that to you. So let's take a look. I'm going to remove some of this stuff. So let's get rid of it and make some room here. So Carlos has to pay the cost of the meal. We're going to say the cost of the meal as a whole. It's all of it. Plus, he's got to pay 25% of all of it. 0.25 of all of it. Well, 0.25 of 1 is just 0.25, right? So his cost is going to be 1.25 of the total bill. So the total bill is $32.48. So if you take the whole amount plus 25%, that gives you 125. Multiply that by your bill, and you will get $40.60. So anytime you're doing a bill and you're just going to take the full bill and you're going to add the tip to it, all you have to do is 1 point whatever percent tip you're going to leave. If you're going to leave a 15% tip, it'll be 1.15 and times that by your total bill. If you're going to leave a 5% tip, that would be 1.05, and you multiply that times the total of your bill, and so on. Just a much quicker way to do it. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you, and please subscribe.